from 3 weeks of conception, when we are in the womb, we are only 3 weeks old, we are just a bunch of cells. तब से हमारा mind and skin, our nervous system and our skin, they both develop from the same layer. Why would you need to detox? Why would you need to detox if there is no tox? Can you believe it? The group that was doing all of these things, उनमें dose of statin reduce कर सकते थे after a particular point of time. Whereas the group that was not doing it, ठीक है, कोलेस्ट्रॉल तो कंट्रोल हो गया, but they had to be maintained on that high dose. Meditation is not antibiotics. So where you need these things, they have to be used. But as a general health practice, please go ahead and do all the breath work, yoga, good stuff for your body to build a healthy one.
वेलकम टू बी यू विद श्रद्धा एस। आज हम एक ऐसे टॉपिक पे बात करने वाले हैं जो हम समझते हैं लेकिन कोई बात नहीं कर पाता है। हमारी आज की गेस्ट डॉक्टर श्रेया कपूर एक डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट, साइकोलॉजिस्ट दोनों हैं। मतलब वो आपकी स्किन को भी समझती है और आपके माइंड को भी। आज हम बात करेंगे स्ट्रेस और स्किन के कनेक्शन के बारे में, प्यूबर्टी, हार्मोन्स, पिगमेंटेशन और वो सब मिथ्स जो हम सालों से बिलीव करते आ रहे हैं। ये सिर्फ एक स्किन केयर एपिसोड नहीं है, ये एपिसोड है अपने आप को थोड़ा और डीपली समझने का। प्लीज गिव अ वार्म वेलकम टू डॉक्टर श्रेया कपूर। Dr. Shreya, welcome to Be You with Shraddha S. And it's such a pleasure to have you here on our show.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to be here. Thank you for having me.
So, आपकी जो डिग्रीज है स्किन, साइकोलॉजी एंड लॉ, इट्स अ वेरी रेयर मिक्स। तो आप जब आपकी प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो या व्हेन यू आर ट्रीटिंग योर पेशेंट, ये सारी कैसे एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए या कनेक्टेड है?
So I practice as a dermatologist.
Yes.
Meri super specialization is in a subject called psychodermatology that integrates mind and skin connect. So skin as a subject is what I diagnose with. You come in, you have a problem. Diagnosis मैंने skin के basis पर किया.
जी।
But where your mental state is at, how your stress levels might be affecting that skin issue,
Right.
how the skin issue might be affecting your stress levels, that is the psychology of the human being.
Right.
And वो human being किस परिस्थिति में exist करता है, what situation he or she exists in,
Right.
is the lived experience of that skin condition.
Hmm.
So just by giving you a cream or a medicine, I don't understand your biology completely. But when I go deeper, when I dig into your psychology, when I dig into your mental state,
जी।
that is what gives me a full understanding. And hum sab, we all exist in an external structure which is governed by laws and systems. So I feel like the study of law helps me understand कि patient ethics, what is the patient feeling, patient consent, and in recent times I feel like it's been very useful in this gray space of unregulated products, serums, creams that are coming in for
जी,
skincare.
जी।
It's there are no laws regarding it, so I feel like that comes very useful in combining these three subjects.
Okay. आपको फर्स्ट टाइम ये कब रियलाइज हुआ दैट यू नो जस्ट ट्रीटिंग पेशेंट्स ऑन अ सरफेस लेवल इज नॉट इनफ?
मैं अपने रेजिडेंसी एमडी के फर्स्ट ईयर में थी एंड वी हैड ए 11-year-old girl come in with psoriasis. 70% of her body was covered in psoriasis, which is an autoimmune condition.
Right.
तो क्या होता है कि your skin is the largest organ of your body.
Right.
It is biological, but it is also a social organ.
Right.
Because it's visible. बहुत से लोग they are walking around with diabetes or blood pressure or migraine, but आप उसको देख नहीं सकते. You don't know that something is wrong.
Yeah.
The moment you have even this much on your skin, everybody can see it.
Right.
It's a completely full body experience for you because
Right.
of perception,
Right.
because of how you're feeling, because of what everyone's saying. So this girl, if you can imagine, at 11 years old, उसको 70% body surface area psoriasis था. So she had come into the hospital and we were treating her. And as usual, hospital में तो it is hundreds of patients that you're treating, so it's not personalized attention. देखा 2 मिनट में दवाई लिख के,
जी।
But one time हमने OPD खत्म की and us as junior residents, we were just walking out last and हमने देखा that she and her mother and her father are crying, sitting on the hospital steps, weeping away. रुक के आई जस्ट आस्क्ड कि क्या हुआ, मतलब दवाई तो ठीक चल रही है 70% से, वी आर कमिंग डाउन स्लोली, एंड दे सेड कि स्कूल ने उसको निकाल दिया है.
ओह!
इट वाज अ म्युनिसिपल स्कूल दैट दे वेंट टू, एंड स्कूल ने निकाल दिया है. तो आई सेड क्यों? सो दे सेड बिकॉज ऑल द पेरेंट्स आर कंसर्न्ड, बच्चे घर जाके बोल रहे हैं कि देयर इज समबडी विथ horrible skin in the class, and they can't understand, so for them the solution is nikal do.
Okay, because they thought it's contagious
They
or
thought it's
something.
contagious, they thought it's something dirty, we don't chahiye
Want
nahi,
right,
we don't
right,
want it
right,
around us.
right.
So you can imagine कि it is not just the skin or the disease or the issue, but for this child, school is now a question.
Trauma,
It is
psychological.
her security, her future. She's like, I don't know if we can go to school. Then we wrote a letter. Hospitals हमने letter लिखवाई. We, I personally went to the school. I had a talk and said that, look, I'm examining her without gloves. मैं gloves भी नहीं use कर रही. I'm touching her. मुझे कुछ नहीं होगा. There is nothing wrong. Give it some time. She will recover, and give her a chance. And in fact, use this opportunity to support this child.
Right.
But that is the first experience I had which told me कि एक क्रीम या मेडिसिन लिख के वो जर्नी खत्म नहीं होती, because it is your skin and it is seen by everybody from the outside.
जी.
There is much more to it. We have to go more than skin deep.
That's true. Interesting. So डॉक्टर हमें ये बताइए कि जैसे थॉट या इमोशन है वो स्किन पे कैसे इफेक्ट करता है, लाइक इफ यू आर साइकोलॉजिकली इल या इमोशनली आप स्ट्रेस्ड हो, हाउ इज इट अफेक्टिंग योर स्किन?
We'll take a step back. आपने अंधाधुन देखी है?
जी.
Do you remember that scene where Tabu comes wearing that the Scream wala mask?
Right.
Right? सबको goosebumps आए थे.
जी.
The memory of it brings goosebumps to my skin.
Right.
Nobody has to come and touch your skin for the goosebumps to come. The
Right.
reaction happens from here.
Right.
Perception happens from here.
Right.
अब मान लीजिए from this door, if Hrithik Roshan walks in,
Hmm.
I will blush. My cheeks will turn red.
Excitement, yeah.
Did somebody come and do this to me for that to happen?
No.
So the perception, the mind and skin, एक technical fact है for all the curious cookies, which is that from 3 weeks of conception, when we are in the womb, we are only 3 weeks old. We are just a bunch of cells.
Right.
तब से हमारा mind and skin, our nervous system and our skin, they both develop from the same layer in the womb.
Oh.
Not your skin and kidney, not your skin and liver, your skin and brain develop from the same layer.
Oh.
So it is not ke metaphorically connected hai, it is biologically connected.
Right.
Since birth.
This is very interesting information that I've received. Thank you so much. Okay. So what are the top red flags our skin throws up when our mental health is redlining?
We can start from the top of the head. Hair loss is the first thing that happens. So when the body goes through any stressful episode, चाहे वो COVID हो,
Right.
चाहे वो surgery हो, if it is emotionally, something draining, you've lost somebody in your life, death, change of job, change of city, anything that takes a toll on the body, hair is one of the things that the body thinks is dispensable, we can get rid of. So the first thing it will do is shed hair. That should give you a sense कि my body is currently not in optimal conditioning state.
Right.
मतलब वो 100% पे नहीं है,
जी.
उससे थोड़ा सा कम है. So your first sign will be probably hair loss, which will start happening about a month and a half after this episode. Coming down, you will start noticing maybe that your skin feels a little, for dry skin people it will get drier, for oily skin people it will get more oily, because जो आपके inflammation pathways होते हैं which get triggered from stress, they can work in many directions.
Right.
तो जो हमारे skin में sebaceous glands होते हैं जिससे oil produce होता है, these molecules can trigger those glands and it can cause more oiliness, which can lead to more breakouts. So you would have seen when people are going through a stressful episode, breakouts increase.
जी. जी.
Dark circles increase हो जाते हैं, probably because आप सो नहीं रहे, आप ठीक से खा नहीं रहे. So the moment there are deficiencies in your body like iron, dark circles will flare up. Nails will become brittle over time, टूटने लगेंगे.
जी.
So small cues which will give you a sign के it is not just your skin but probably internal systems also need to be checked.
Right.
And in terms of skin disease, if we are to get specific, अगर आपने सुना होगा of these terms, eczema,
जी.
um, again lichen planus, psoriasis, जो भी autoimmune चीजें हैं,
Hmm.
they will all respond to stress levels in the body.
Okay. So during your time at Harvard, what was the most surprising thing you learned about the stress skin connection?
I would say कि Harvard is a phenomenal experience. I think just because वहाँ पे research इतनी सुंदर वे से होती है. I feel in India we are burdened with the number of patients that we are treating. We are always firefighting. 500 patient देख लिए government OPD में 550.
जी.
There's not enough, I think, infrastructure. We do research, but उस level पे नहीं करते. So when you see that level of research happening, it's absolutely inspiring. And I would say it is not just stress skin connect.
Hmm.
मैं कहूँगी it is stress body connect.
Right.
And skin is one of your organs.
Right.
तो वहाँ पे कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट से बात हुई, पल्मोनोलॉजिस्ट, like every organ system is
जी.
getting affected by this stress connection. And they were all presenting data कि हर एक organ of the body कैसे respond करता है इस चीज को.
जी.
So you understand that stress is not like a abstract concept. ऐसा एक विशी वॉशी कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है वो.
जी.
It is measurable biology. So blood samples are taken, you can see the markers, you can see MRI, it's called a fMRI, functional MRI, imaging of the brain. And when certain stress responses are happening, those areas of the brain are lighting up to tell you that this is real.
Right.
This connection is very, very real.
Real.
And I mean, one study that comes to mind which was amazing for me, एक cardiologist थे, Dr. Tawakol करके, he presented on how you may have heard of this medicine called statin, which a lot of people take for cholesterol.
Cholesterol.
So he was presenting about, there's a group of study that they did. So आधे लोगों को उन्होंने statin दिया, दवाई दी, and that's it. And बाकी के लोगों को उन्होंने दवाई दी, but in addition to that, they introduced mind-body techniques to lower stress levels. So they were meditating, they had support groups, they were exercising, there were multiple protocols. Can you believe it? The group that was doing all of these things, उनमें dose of statin reduce कर सकते थे after a particular point of time. Whereas the group that was not doing it, ठीक है, cholesterol तो control हो गया, but they had to be maintained on that high dose.
Right.
So what more real evidence do
You
we
need.
need?
Yeah,
अगर दवा
true.
कम हो सकती है, at some point eliminate
True.
हो सकती है,
जी.
then we must not be lazy about these measures.
Absolutely. Absolutely. डॉक्टर, हमारे जैसे हमने बचपन से सुनते आए हैं कि अगर आपका गट क्लियर हो, क्लीन हो, हेल्दी हो, तो आपकी स्किन भी हेल्दी होती है. तो स्पेशली आयुर्वेदा में दे वर्क ऑन योर गट द मोमेंट समथिंग इज रॉन्ग विथ योर स्किन और अदर पार्ट्स.
Sure.
What is your take on that? Like how true it is?
There is a concept called gut-skin axis, which is a very real concept. हमारा gut एक बहुत intelligent organism है in itself. And the first thing I want to say on this topic is कि it's true, but जो detox culture आया है ये, some detox juice and some detox shots, and I don't know, you would have heard of these things.
Of course, on Instagram you get to see tons of reels.
Yeah, मुझे सबसे पहले जो चीज़ बोलनी है वो ये है कि before you prescribe or subscribe to any detox cleansing or any probiotic, बाहर से ऑर्डर करना बंद कर दो.
जी.
बाहर से खाना बंद कर दो. पैकेज्ड फूड खोल के खाना बंद कर दो. That is the first thing you can do for your gut. And that is the easiest thing you can do for your gut.
Right.
Why would you need to detox? Why would you need to detox if there is no tox?
Yeah.
आप टॉक्स क्यों डाल रहे हो पहले तो?
जी.
I don't understand. That is the first thing that you need to stop.
Right.
Gut is very intelligent. It does not always need these, these detox cleansers and whatever else is marketed. It usually doesn't require this. It's a self-operating mechanism. If you put in the right stuff, the processing will be correct. Yes, I think Ayurveda explores a concept of weak gut and strong gut, and I'm not the right person to speak about that, but I can definitely say कि मैंने acne हमेशा flare होते हुए देखा है when somebody is eating a lot of sugar. So we call it high glycemic index foods. So आपका bread हो गया, pasta हो गया, pizza, any मैदा based product,
Right.
high glycemic index, immediately I will see that inflammation come up on the skin.
Right.
So that tells me there is a correlation. Some patients will also say that if my gut doesn't clear completely, constipation, diarrhea, then again they find it. But मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि these are very specific things. Like मुझ में होता है पर आप में नहीं होता. So that is something that
जी.
is a personalized
Everybody
medicine.
is different.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
उसका हम कहेंगे कि that is personalized medicine. We must take account of it. But ये मैं definitely कह सकती हूँ. Fried food, oily food, sugar, white sugar of any form.
जी.
Fully, it will flare up my acne. It will flare up my hair loss. It will flare up autoimmune conditions.
जी.
इसलिए तो anti-inflammatory diet, again आपने शायद सुना
सुना
होगा,
है. Yes.
Mediterranean diet जिसको
जी,
commonly
जी.
कहते हैं.
हाँ.
It helps a lot with conditions like psoriasis. So then you're focusing on good stuff, putting
Right.
good stuff in the body.
Right.
Omega-3, good fats, less carbs, more leafy vegetables, more fruits.
Yeah.
But the thing is ke, why is that called a good diet? That should be everyday
Ideal,
diet.
I mean,
That
yeah.
should be everyone's diet.
Right.
मतलब ये जो I think concept है कि fast करेंगे and then सही खाएंगे, फिर एक cheat day है. I don't know. That seems unnecessarily created.
Yeah, so it's
to
better
me.
to be mindful than, using all these trends.
हाँ, absolutely. And mindful से याद आया कि it is not just gut skin connected. It's called a gut skin brain axis.
Right.
Because जो control है of what you put into your gut comes from your taste buds, right?
Right.
And how are your taste buds controlled?
Brain. जी.
That is the conscious choice from here.
Right.
तो यहाँ से अगर आप कंट्रोल कर लोगे तो यहाँ सही चीज जाएगी, यहाँ सही चीज जाएगी तो यहाँ पे आपका सही इफेक्ट होगा and it will turn back the
Yes,
same way.
absolutely. डॉक्टर आजकल जो कॉस्मेटिक इंडस्ट्री है या मार्केट है लाइक every day they are coming up with a new product.
Sure.
So of course anti-aging is one of that, and sunscreens. There is a market full of sunscreens. So how true it is that अगर sunscreen use नहीं किया है तो आपकी aging जल्दी हो जाएगी या other skin diseases जो होता है वो जल्दी हो जाएगा? Is it true? At the same time, they say vitamin D is the most important thing also for your skin. So how do we?
अगर मैं सेकंड क्वेश्चन भूल जाऊं तो यू रिमाइंड मी.
Okay.
दोनों आंसर करना
जी,
जरूरी है.
जी.
So I'll start with the first. Sunscreens are important in if you talk about aging skin.
Right.
एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सुंदर स्टडी थी. ठीक है, they saw a truck driver. Okay, so for I think 60 years of his life he drove the truck, and एक साइड से जो धूप आती है from
जी.
your window side, you will not believe that side of his face looks at least 10-15 years older than this side of his face,
Oh.
just because of sun exposure. And so there is enough and more data to tell us कि sun exposure chronic means अगर आप रोज धूप पे 4-5 घंटे बिता रहे हैं and if you're prone to pigmentation then even less than that अगर आप बिता रहे हैं, it will affect you. It will increase the aging of the skin because जो हमारे skin cells हैं they actually get damaged by sunlight. In response to that वो tanning produce करते हैं चेहरे पे. So tanning is actually a protective mechanism of the skin.
जी.
And if we want to slow down aging, sunscreen is important. I think the thing that you were trying to understand is, why safety, those concerns are common. Now we must understand कि जो filters sunscreen में डालते हैं, are they safe for us? Do they get absorbed in our body? Are they causing any harm? So there is a concept in sunscreens, physical sunscreen and chemical. Physical is like आपने एक layer लगाई and it remains as a layer.
Right.
It remains as a physical layer on your skin.
Which you can wash off or something like that.
Which you can wash off, which doesn't get absorbed in the body.
Okay.
So it will stop. जैसे cricket खेलते हैं तो कैसे वो white करके
layer आ जाता है.
Yes. So that is a physical sunscreen.
जी.
And I would say that is probably, matlab, if somebody is very concerned about safety, then this is like you putting a layer of paint on your skin, and it
जी,
is blocking the sun rays from affecting your skin.
right,
So choose a physical sunscreen if
right.
that is something that concerns you. But even chemical sunscreens these days are thoroughly tested, and that's why it's important to buy, products that are not random,
जी,
जिनकी टेस्टिंग हुई हुई है, which maybe your doctor is prescribing for you, because you're right, इतने सारे products हैं that for the consumer, I wonder that if I didn't have the knowledge, I would feel very, very overwhelmed by seeing.
absolutely, absolutely, yeah,
So you have to be within the limits of safety.
जी,
For
SPF,
example, SPF नहीं, but जो उसका ingredients है,
जो
जैसे कि in our water there are minerals, वो लो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन में है, सो दे आर सेफ फॉर अस. अगर वो ही मिनरल हाई कॉन्सेंट्रेशन में हो जाता है, इट्स बैड फॉर अस.
okay,
So same way, sunscreen has to maintain that concentration,
right.
and then we are within the realms of safety, which is what we want to
Yeah.
ensure.
So they say SPF 30, 40, 50. So which is the ideal one?
I would say in India in summer, if you are at SPF 50 and your skin is prone to pigmentation, that is what you should prefer.
Okay.
Actually, जो protection है between SPF 30, SPF 50 and SPF 100 is not very different. मतलब वो बहुत minute चीज़ है in terms of difference. But I would say that for harsh sun, the kind of sun that we live with in India in summers, SPF 50 PA is another marker which is
जी,
important
जी,
for a particular type of UV rays.
जी.
So PA4 plus is something which I would say with SPF 50 is equally important,
Okay.
because SPF doesn't guarantee कि सारे UV rays cover हो रहे हैं, A, B,
Okay.
so
Okay. So PA plus
PA4 plus.
4 plus.
हाँ जी.
Okay. Okay.
And vitamin D का आपने जो
जी
पूछा
जी
था,
वो क्वेश्चन था कि
yes, yes,
it's equally important for a human being.
yes.
So how do we balance that?
Don't put sunscreen on the rest of your body.
Okay. And it gets absorbed. Okay.
Absolutely.
Other than face.
See, your face is 1% body surface area.
Right.
Okay, so जब हम वो percentages करते हैं of the body surface, this is just 1% of body surface area, but ये prime real estate है,
जी
you know.
जी
So my take is that sunlight absorption इससे वैसे भी sunscreen से it is not affected.
Right,
Actually, in
right.
studies when they have seen, वो affect नहीं होती. But even if you are concerned about that, वो 1% से नहीं, it will not change, because the rest of your body will absorb
Right,
sunlight.
right.
But having said that, I would say कि almost everybody is deficient in vitamin D3, because none of us in today's lifestyle spend many hours, just being in the sun. Our
जी,
life
जी,
is indoors.
जी.
So आप sunscreen लगा लो, vitamin D supplement ले लो, and try to get as much natural vitamin D as you can through the rest of your body.
Okay. और जो हमने सनस्क्रीन्स की बात करी है, are they safe even for the kids?
So there is a pediatric range of sunscreens which comes, again, where those filters are important, or physical sunscreens are preferred. And yes, they are safe for children. I normally don't recommend it for children unless somebody is, getting a lot of exposure through sports. Parents are a little bit worried about tanning or pigmentation. Then I say that, okay, on the day of your big exposure, लगा लो, बाकी time पे not important, because as kids that cycle will continue, they will tan, it will shed off, फिर होगा, फिर ठीक हो जाएगा. So unless they have a skin problem that requires sunscreen, I don't recommend. And unless they spend a lot of time, बहुत ज़्यादा time swimming कर रहे हैं,
जी.
या cricket खेल रहे हैं, football खेल रहे हैं, and that is their sort of everyday life, फिर recommend कर देते हैं.
जी जी डॉक्टर आजकल मार्केट में आप देख रहे हो सनस्क्रीन्स के साथ कॉम्बिनेशंस होते हैं जैसे टिंटेड होता है या एंटी एजिंग वाला विद एंटी एजिंग विद सनस्क्रीन मिक्स सो हाउ इफेक्टिव दे आर हाउ गुड दे आर एंड वन शुड यूज इट और
So Pigmented skin के लिए we always say that tinted sunscreen is better
Okay.
because it protects you not just from UV rays but also from visible light. Like
जी
इस room में फिलहाल sunlight नहीं आ रही,
जी
but there is visible light,
Right.
blue light.
Right.
And if you are prone to pigmentation, जैसे melasma, these kind of conditions, तो even visible light will worsen that issue. So especially for those people, a tinted sunscreen is preferred.
Okay.
Anti-aging sunscreen, matlab, I would take this with a pinch of salt because actually there are very few things which are scientifically validated to be anti-aging. Retinol is probably the only one, the best one which is validated that way. So anti-aging sunscreen, take it with a pinch of salt.
That's not really. Okay. अभी जैसे हमने एंटी एजिंग की बात की है क्रीम्स की, हाउ इफेक्टिव दे आर, हाउ गुड दे आर, एंड फ्रॉम व्हाट इज द आइडियल एज टू स्टार्ट यूजिंग एंटी एजिंग प्रोडक्ट्स?
Collagen loss from the skin starts to occur after 25 years of age. I would say कि एक skin health maintain करना from early 20s, late 20s is a good idea.
राइट.
एंटी एजिंग अगर आप स्पेसिफिकली देख रहे हैं तो मे बी लेट 20s अर्ली 30s इज ओके. अगेन ये ऐसे हो गया कि आप रेस्टोरेंट गए और आपने पूछा कि कैसे है खाना, यू नो.
जी.
सो इट्स सच अ डाइवर्स क्वेश्चन. एंटी एजिंग क्रीम्स डिपेंड ऑन द इंग्रेडिएंट.
राइट.
वो कितना परसेंटेज है, वो कौन सा इंग्रेडिएंट है, वो आपके स्किन को कैसे सूट कर रहा है. सो आई वुड से बी वेरी वेरी
स्पेसिफिक.
be very very judicious when you are picking a anti-aging product, because in most cases I have seen ke it is more for hydration, it is more for moisturizing the skin. Actual anti-aging happens through very few molecules. So that kind of advice, probably go to your MD, go to your dermat,
राइट.
get the right prescription.
जी.
उनके 10-12 साल of पढ़ाई का use कीजिए
जी.
and let them guide you through that.
राइट. राइट.
And also the other thing is creams will make a difference to a particular level. जैसे आपने यहाँ लगाई क्रीम, बट जो एजिंग का प्रोसेस है वो तो उसके नीचे हो रहा है, यू नो. सो देर आर मल्टीपल लेयर्स ऑफ स्किन. उसके नीचे देर आर थिंग्स. सो द एजिंग स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम द बोन एक्चुअली. सो अब यहाँ से क्रीम लगा के हाउ विल यू गेट देयर. सो anti-aging science, aesthetic science has progressed beautifully. It is मतलब amazing, shocking and amazing कि वो कितना progress हुई है, and it has gone far beyond creams and serums only.
Right, right. Again, in today's time on social media, you get to see a lot of collagen products, like where you have a fizzy tablet, have it with water, or some powder form. So what is your take on that?
Collagen as a supplement is, if it's the right form of collagen, जो marine collagen हम बोलते हैं, and in the right gram, it is good for the skin hydration, elasticity बढ़ती है उसकी, skin में collagen over time improve होता है. So it's a good supplement to have, but ऐसा नहीं है कि वो खा के आपके सारे स्किन प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएंगे.
जी.
मेरा एक जो बड़ा इशू है विथ ऑल द थिंग्स दैट आर कमिंग ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, चाहे वो ग्लूटाथायोन हो, एंटीऑक्सीडेंट हो, कोलाजन हो,
जी.
इज दिस के जो इम्प्रेशन आपको मिलती है इज दैट मैं बस ये एक चीज कर लूं
And everything is just transformed.
एवरीथिंग इज फैंटास्टिक. ऐसा नहीं होता.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं होता. इट इज लाइक आप क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, देयर आर 11 प्लेयर्स. सो जस्ट थिंक दैट वे कि एवरी लिटिल बिट मैटर्स. दैट इज व्हाई द इनसाइड आउट अप्रोच इज एक्सट्रीमली इम्पॉर्टेंट.
Right.
दैट इज व्हाई माई जो कंबाइंड फिजियोलॉजी है बॉडी की इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, एंड स्किन ऑर्गन है, we can't forget that.
जी, जी.
So it's a good supplement to have, but it's not the only thing that will help you.
Okay. Doctor, when 72% of our body is water,
हाँ जी.
so how much water intake is important? They say 5 liters minimum, or 8 liters, or 3 liters. What is the ideal amount of water one should consume to have a good skin?
So water consumption about 8 glasses a day of 2 to 3 liters is the recommendation medically जो होती है. 5 liters not really required. Also again ये थोड़ा सा myth है. Yes, I'm not saying कि आप अपना hydration कम रखिए, but ज़्यादा पानी पीने से better skin नहीं हो जाएगी. Because again the concept is कि पानी पीने से स्किन मेरी क्लियर हो जाएगी और इट विल समहाउ द वाटर विल फ्लश माय सिस्टम एंड मेक माय स्किन प्योर. ऐसे नहीं होता है. द बॉडी हैज अ डिफरेंट मैकेनिज्म ऑफ डिटॉक्सिफाइंग थ्रू ब्लड, थ्रू लिम्फेटिक्स, थ्रू मल्टीपल अदर मेथड्स, एंड इट इज़ नॉट जस्ट अबाउट वाटर कंजम्पशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप ज़्यादा पानी पी के देख लीजिए, आप 5 लीटर पी के देख लो ओवर 1 month. Will the acne go away? So that is not the only thing which is
True.
responsible.
Right.
तो वो myth को scientific fact से approach करना is better.
Better.
Yes.
Yeah. Also, they say ghee is a very important factor. One should consume ghee, a lot of ghee, so that you will have a good skin because of the vitamin E that it has, or vitamin D it has. How true is that? Like,
Ghee is a form of good fat, as we call it. So it is unprocessed oil. Basically, hydrogenation उसकी नहीं हुई होती. So it is a good fat, and it helps. In the sense that good fats are important for the body overall. I would not say कि ghee is responsible for good skin, but if you are having good fats in the form of ghee, omega-3, all of these things, it will help build up your skin barrier. ये term you would have heard.
Yes.
आजकल जैसे creams बोलते हैं कि बाहर से लगाओ तो it will maintain your skin barrier.
right.
Internally also these things are important to build up your skin barrier. जो ceramides होते हैं, जो
जी.
बनते हैं, वो
जी.
good fats से बनते हैं.
जी.
So you can again take it as one more thing that is good for you, but not the only thing.
Doctor, India is obsessed with fair skin, and the fairness screen product are extensively available in the market, and glow products. So what is your take on this?
गोरे लोग चले गए बट कालक बहुत छोड़ गए माइंड में.
I know.
it is really painful in clinic to see mothers bringing young daughters, 12-13 year olds, and saying कि इसको गोरा कर दो, इसकी स्किन इसको फेयर कर दो, उसकी बहन ऐसी है, ये क्यों काली है. इट्स रियली मतलब आई एम एट अ लॉस. एंड मैं ये बोलती हूँ कि वो चले गए, बट आपके माइंड से तो ये कॉलोनियलिज्म नहीं निकला है. I think it is a generational thing. Over time, hopefully it will pass as we gain confidence in our own Indianness, in our own color, in our own ability beyond looks. धीरे धीरे hopefully this will become better. Fair skin is not healthy skin. The health of the skin depends on disease not being present, on hydration, on how smooth it is, how even it is, and that can be dark skin also. So just one thing from me, fair skin is not healthy skin. And glow तो सबको चाहिए,
whatever skin color you have.
It is not that only if you're fair then you will be glowing. You can tell when somebody has glowing brown skin also.
So basically a healthy skin is a glowing skin.
Absolutely.
Dr. Shreya, does a mind skin expert have a complex 10-step routine, or is yours surprisingly simple?
Consistency over complexity. Very, very simple. As long as I can put the same thing morning and night for a good period of time, I have won the battle. Rather than 10 products, फिर मैं उसमें से I can't cope, 5 भूल गई, नहीं हो रहा, time नहीं मिल रहा. And I think honestly it's impossible to put 10 products. I mean, जितनी humidity अभी है बॉम्बे में, can you imagine 10 products on your skin?
Absolutely no.
So ना तो हम कोरियन हैं, ना तो
जी।
हमारा वेदर कोरियन है, तो आई डोंट थिंक आवर स्किन इज मेंट टू टेक 10 प्रोडक्ट्स.
Yeah.
मैं तो सुबह का फेस वॉश एंड क्रीम लगा लूं एंड रात को फेस वॉश एंड सनस्क्रीन इन द मॉर्निंग एंड एट नाइट face wash and my night cream. I feel like I've won the day. I've done
I
enough
know,
and
I
more.
know, I know. I think many of us are still there, even including me, that minimalistic.
Hmm.
बहुत ज़्यादा products, बहुत ज़्यादा makeup, and ये वो, it's not my thing, of course.
Hmm.
So
I can see you're looking lovely with everything minimal on you right
thank
now.
you, thank you.
Yeah. नहीं, but I have seen that डिवाइड, मतलब कुछ पेशेंट्स को मैं बोलती हूँ, फॉर एग्जांपल सुबह का मैंने लिखा एंड रात का, एंड दिल बी लाइक दोपहर और शाम. Some people are like that and other people will be like नहीं नहीं नहीं, this too much, दो बार, like morning and night I can't put something on my
Right,
skin. So
right.
I think it is about where you're coming from, कितना आप करना चाहते हो. And again I will repeat that aesthetic medicine has progressed way beyond creams and serums. So these are things that will work.
Hmm.
They, and अगर आप मेहनत कर रहे हो, then make sure that आप सही product use कर रहे हो.
Right,
Get the recommendation which works for you,
right,
and then make the effort.
right.
And you'll realize that as like if there are certain things you want to fix, not necessary कि cream से वो fix होगी.
Hmm.
Because अगर for example problem, I say this a lot during my consult, कि अगर problem basement में है and आप first floor पे बैठे fix कर रहे हो, तो क्या कर रहे हो?
बिल्कुल, yeah.
How do you plan that it
Right,
will work out?
right.
So sometimes just because आपके mind में वो notion है कि cream ही लगाने से होगा, not necessary that that is scientifically correct.
Right, right. Doctor, I have two teenager daughters.
हाँ जी.
One has a flawless skin,
Hmm.
and other is dealing with her acne and
Hmm.
all that.
Hmm.
So, do you recommend when in a growing phase because of the hormonal changes, when you have these acne and breakouts, one should consult a dermat, or because it's a passing phase, it will settle? What is it?
आई थिंक समथिंग लाइक दिस इज अबाउट सिवियरिटी, मतलब वो कितना सिवियर एक्ने है. बिकॉज एक्ने कैन बी के एक छोटा सा बम्प आता है एंड 2-3 दिन में चला जाता है.
जी.
दैट इज समटाइम्स टीनेज एक्ने,
Hmm.
टिपिकली टी जोन में आता है.
जी.
बट समटाइम्स टीनेज एक्ने कैन ऑल्सो बी वेरी सिवियर. पस filled
जी.
acne, red हो गया, it's not settling down,
Leaving marks
leaving
behind.
marks, खड्डे बन रहे हैं, and you can see it pretty much all over the face, not just in a few areas. Then definitely it's a medical condition. So
Right.
acne is from this severe to this severe,
जी.
and वो चीज़ को ignore नहीं करना चाहिए.
Right.
So I would say that if it is not just a small little bump coming and going, please do see your dermatologist.
Okay. Doctor, we were also discussing about the blue light. Now,
Yes.
having excessive screen time,
हाँ जी.
does it also affect our skin? And also the aging is fastened by using a lot of screen.
Absolutely. So again, a lot of research, lot of papers to show that collagen loss is accelerated when you look at the screen, when your blue light exposure is more. अगर आपको pigmentation issues हैं like melasma, those will be worsened significantly with blue light. But I would say given that the time and age that we live in, it is something you can't escape. So ठीक है, you put your tinted sunscreen on. If we have a problem, then we have in some way a solution also. And make sure that all the other parameters of lifestyle are such के उसको वो counter कर रहा है.
जी.
So how you're eating, how you're exercising, how you're sleeping, what products you're using, just try and focus on those things, because I don't think screen time is something that
That's not the
some
only thing.
professions
Yeah.
you can't change that.
Right.
It's not the only thing.
Right. For the person listening who feels like nothing works for their skin, what is one thing that they are likely missing?
एक वो अमूल की एड होती थी व्हेन आई वाज ग्रोइंग अप, दूध 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 दूध. सो आई
Your
फील
glass full.
लाइक
I know that.
I feel like singing sleep 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 sleep.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
that is where the body that is where the body repairs. So जो आपके cells होते हैं body में, they actually undergo their repair process when you are asleep. So I feel like for somebody who is feeling this way कि ये नहीं काम कर रहा, ये भी try कर लिया, maybe the nervous system is exhausted, and you're not realizing it. So sleep could be one thing. Second thing जो मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि maybe they have missed an expert opinion. बहुत सी Instagram shopping शायद हो गई है, because one thing that I would tell you is कि skin जो आपकी है उसको 28 से 30 दिन लगते हैं.
जी.
जो turnover होता है of the cells, that takes about a month. So you might be Usain Bolt on the track, but skin तो उसी rate पे regenerate होगी. It
जी.
takes a month for anything to start showing results.
जी.
Sometimes even longer. So I think sleep and an expert opinion might be something which could be missing.
Okay, okay. For women, how do periods, PCOS, or hormonal changes affect skin in ways that are easy to notice at home?
So I think this can be a basic framework or a guideline. If you are growing hair as a woman in places जहाँ normally नहीं grow होता है, for example, as females, we don't have a lot of thick hair on the chin area. We don't have a lot of thick hair on our side locks. In comparison to men, I'm talking. So if you see hair growing on the female face like a male, ये एक मार्कर होता है, इसको हम हर्सुटिज्म बोलते हैं इन मेडिसिन. सेम वे इफ यू सी इट ग्रोइंग अराउंड द निपल एरिया, दैट इज अनदर मार्कर. थर्ड इज के आपको एक्ने आ रहा है. इट इज नॉट स्ट्रिक्टली लाइक दिस, बट जॉलाइन एक्ने इज सेड टू बी समथिंग जो हॉर्मोनली दिखता है. हेयर लॉस हो रहा है. सो जस्ट द वे कि यहाँ के बाल थिक हो रहे हैं, यहाँ के बाल थिन हो रहे हैं, रिवर्स ऑफ व्हाट यू वांट.
Right, right.
So if you look at the face and you see thinning here, thickening here, acne coming, and in very advanced stages, आवाज भी बदलने लगती है. Female voice starts becoming a little more male-like this. These are all signs that you can pick up at home. Irregular periods, period cycle skip हो रही है. Definitely please show your gynecologist, dermatologist.
Okay. Doctor, why on certain skins there are acne marks, like the dark spots are left, and why on certain skins they are not?
So this is a beautiful combination of genetics, severity of the acne, how you have dealt with it. तो हम बोलते हैं कि think of it like a triangle. So for example, if parents had acne and it was very severe acne, आपको वैसे टाइप का एक्ने मिला है विरासत में, which would have been more severe. पहले हम बात कर रहे थे कि पस वहाँ पे है, it's turning red. That kind of acne will always leave more marks. So that is more severe acne which you have inherited. फिर सेकंड इज कि अगर आपने उसको इल ट्रीट किया, आप बैठ के you're picking on your acne, आप उसको स्क्वीज कर रहे हो, पस निकाल रहे हो, that will again reinfect, leave marks. So you have to understand what you get, how severe it is, and फिर आपने उसका क्या किया, that decides whether it will leave marks or not.
जी. Also, Dr. Shreya, आजकल Instagram पे आप देख रहे हो face yoga, lymphatic drainage, using gua sha. What is your take on all these?
Could you tell me what do you feel this is good for, or what have you heard this is good for?
So when they talk about face yoga, they are doing certain upward movements and certain points, and they say because your skin is sagging, if you do these upward movements, it will reverse it. Something like that, using same way gua sha with certain kind of a natural stone they are using, and pulling your skin upwards or something like that. Lymphatic drainage, they are doing some kind of pulling down of this area, and they are saying it works miraculously for as a anti-aging or something like that. So just wanted to know your take on that.
आपके बोलते हुए मुझे फील हो रहा है कि आपकी कन्विक्शन लोअर हो रही थी as you were asking me the question.
Yeah, because Instagram, I think social media is one platform where everybody is coming and just throwing their knowledge, whether it's certified or no, whether we don't know the source, but it's coming.
So that is where the law comes in, na कि भाई what is allowed, what should not be allowed, because as a consumer it's so confusing.
Right.
I am yet to see data. I am yet to see any good research article or publication that tells me that इससे skin lift होगी या anti-aging होगा. Not been proven. Is it good to kind of, stimulate lymphatic drainage, or is it good to, do these things? Yes, from a circulation point of view, you're increasing the blood circulation, you're helping lymphatic drainage from certain points. There's no harm to it. But फिर ये claim करना कि skin lift हो जाएगी, that is a separate thing, because फिर वो एक impression आती है कि अगर मैं ये कर रही हूँ तो then my jawline should be sculpted, then I should
That's
not
what.
be getting lines.
That's what.
तो then we will be out of business. तो अगर ऐसा हो रहा है then we'll not be getting work. So you'll see that.
So there are a lot of content creators which like who are coming with their own products of like something with vibration and some red light therapy and all that. And so also does it work like the red light and the stimulation of the passing the current or something like that? How effective is it again?
Home devices, again you have to be very careful. For example, red light में जो light है, it should be of a particular wavelength. उसमें जो lamp है, उसमें there should be a certain number of bulbs, and then your skin will get that required stimulation for collagen. Plus आपको ये बहुत consistently करना है. It is not something you can do one day and then फिर एक महीने बाद उठ के आपने किया, उससे result नहीं आएगा. So जो nitty gritties हैं, technicalities हैं, they are very important with home devices. ऐसा नहीं कहूँगी कि they are useless. If it is the right one, then it can be useful. But in a certain dose, in a certain quantity. Again, no wondrous results. Microcurrent के भी जो devices हैं, yes, little bit of I see some temporary results, circulation improvement, things like that. But ऐसे कुछ अजूबा नहीं है.
In the world of energy healing, there's one process called face lifting.
Okay.
And I've heard that it works miraculously. I've seen some of the results.
Sure.
So, what is your take on that? How does it work?
पहले तो आपको बताना पड़ेगा what it is, because
So they work energetically, how the Reiki works, something like that.
Okay.
They energetically they're releasing some points, tapping some points, and then they do the facelift, which is kind of an anti-aging, which also I think Vidya Balan has recently spoken about.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
I mean, as a person of science, I think that my mind should always be open to new concepts and new ideas. I don't know anything about this, so probably I'm not the right person to check. But open to seeing results, open to seeing what the process is, what the science is, and if it is something that can help people, then why not? I'm open to hearing about it.
जी. Dr. Shreya, self-esteem and skin का क्या connection है?
Skin is how you show up in the world. मतलब वो आपकी everyday outfit है.
जी.
Right? It doesn't change. Your clothes change, your skin doesn't. So, how people perceive you instantly is one of the big ways is through your skin. तो एक स्टडी याद आती है. दे स्टडीड के बच्चों को लिया उन्होंने, ठीक है, और एक ग्रुप को उन्होंने इंक्लूड किया इन दिस ऑनलाइन गेम, ठीक है, साइबर बॉल और समथिंग इट वाज कॉल्ड, एंड एक ग्रुप को उन्होंने एक्सक्लूड कर दिया. एंड फिर उनके ब्रेन एरियाज को मैप किया कि ये सोशल रिजेक्शन से एनी रिस्पॉन्स इज कमिंग या इट्स नॉट कमिंग. जिन बच्चों को इंक्लूड किया दे वर ओके. जिन बच्चों को एक्सक्लूड किया उनके ब्रेन में पेन का जो एरिया है दैट लिट अप. जो पेन पाथवे होता है, एसीसी कहते हैं हम उसको ब्रेन में, दैट लिट अप. कैन यू इमेजिन कि सोशल रिजेक्शन फील करने से दिस रिस्पॉन्स हैपेंस. तो द ब्रेन इज नॉट परसीविंग के हड्डी टूटी है या दिल टूटा है.
जी.
It is feeling pain, physical pain and emotional pain in the same way.
Right.
So one of the easiest ways to inflict that pain on yourself, मिरर में देखो और आपको अपनी स्किन अच्छी नहीं लग रही and you criticize everything and you appreciate nothing, तो you are doing that to yourself, right?
Right.
Because आपको कुछ ठीक नहीं लग रहा, you're not liking something about your skin. So definitely the two things are connected. Also, I think how the world around you responds to you. कि किसी ने मजाक में बोल दिया कि अरे योर पिंपल्स डोंट गो ओनली, जाते ही नहीं है.
जी
अरे दैट गर्ल विद एक्ने, इफ somebody starts referring to you like that, or that boy जिसके बाल ही नहीं है, you know, somebody starts associating these things, the way that they impact plays a huge role in how, मतलब the lived experience of that condition for that person.
राइट
And so I guess the thing is कि it should not go to the other extreme also. मतलब I will play my own devil's advocate and say कि while this is very important to show up, you know, confidently, I think your skin is extremely important. And हमने ये भी देखा है कि in job interviews, in there is so much data कि people who look presentable and look better, they are preferred almost 30 to 50% more. There is actual research to support this. So there is no doubt कि ये अफेक्ट होता है.
जी
बट जो उसका दूसरा एक्सट्रीम है वो ये है कि हाइपर फोकस, जो हम बोलते हैं जूम इफेक्ट, यू नो, जब कोविड में जूम कॉल शुरू हुई एंड एवरीबडी स्टार्टेड लुकिंग एट देमसेल्व्स, तो मुझे ये पोर नहीं पसंद, मुझे ये इतना सा छोटा सा दाना नहीं पसंद. दैट इज द अदर एक्सट्रीम ऑफ दिस.
राइट
सो स्किन इज अबाउट सेल्फ एस्टीम, विच इज नॉट वैनिटी. बट आई ऑल्सो डोंट वॉन्ट के लोग, स्पेशली द यंगर जनरेशन के, यू नो, हम कुछ परफेक्ट पेपर डॉल्स एंड जिम ब्रोज हैं विथ जस्ट परफेक्शन ऑन द आउटसाइड, बट अंदर से वी आर नॉट फंडामेंटली स्ट्रॉन्ग, हेल्दी, हेल्थ वाइज एंड साइकोलॉजिकली. सो आई थिंक we want to be showing up as resilient human beings who are also looking great.
राइट
You know, ऐसे नहीं है कि सिर्फ हम ऊपर की केक की आइसिंग, we are not, we don't want to be just superficially looking nice.
राइट
We want like solid good cake inside as well, you know.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, doctor, do you have any tips for skincare for all skin types? People have oily and dry skin, combination skin. So, would you have some tips for them?
We can take it skin type wise.
जी.
So I would say for dry skin, being mindful कि आपके जो daily products हैं, like your cleanser or your face wash, उसमें actives ना हो. So let it be very gentle, let it be bland, color ना हो, उसमें कुछ beads ना हो, you know, those micro beads
Right,
in face washes, none of that, no scent. So these are small things which can trigger the skin. So when your skin is dry, in fact, ये जो लास्ट के तीन है, आई वुड नॉट वॉन्ट इन एनीबडीज यू नो फेस वॉश, टू बी ऑनेस्ट.
Okay.
It's not good for anyone's skin. Color, scent, and you know, harsh beads or
जी.
scrubs,
जी.
not a good idea.
Would you name some products? Like, is it okay? Like Cetaphil or
So
Sebamed?
gentle, absolutely.
yeah.
Like all these ranges have gentle cleansers. Cetaphil has a Cetaphil gentle cleanser. Sebamed has, you know, one for oily skin, one for sensitive skin. So use according to the skin type. That's definitely something which is good. Second is, I've also seen sometimes कि अगर एक आपको brand suit हो रहा है, then face wash, moisturizer, sunscreen उसी का use करें. तो I have seen people react less. So if something has started suiting you, maybe try to just fit that entire.
They're
जो
supportive
आपकी-
to each other, is it?
Yes, yes, they can be. Because जो उनके ingredients होते हैं,
जी.
sometimes they complement each other. And for dry skin, I have seen that slightly heavier moisturizers work better. So don't use gel-based products, या water-based products. They will not do well for dry skin. And sort of the absolute opposite for an oily skin. Lightweight, gel-based, water-based moisturizers, much better. Or creamy वाले use करेंगे तो you will feel very heavy. You know, you will feel like
Yeah.
someone has put something like a layer on
Right,
your face.
Right.
So this is good. And for oily skin, sometimes actives in the face wash is a good idea.
Right.
You know, because it will help cleanse a little better.
Right.
Combination वाले हैं जो बीच में फंस जाते
जी,
हैं, you know,
जी.
with the oily T-zone, and
It's very tricky.
typically area around the mouth is dry, area around the nose is dry, under eye is sensitive. तो इनमें it is important कि maybe morning में you use gentler products, and रात को जैसे आप दिन से आते हो, you know, pollution, dust, grime, then you use something with actives in the night. So अगर स्किन कॉम्बिनेशन है तो रूटीन भी कॉम्बिनेशन होनी पड़ेगी, समथिंग लाइक दैट. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, वो एक ब्रॉड गाइडलाइन है. इसमें भी बहुत सारे लूप होल्स एंड थिंग्स कैन गो रॉन्ग.
राइट.
सो या, अगेन एक्सपर्ट ओपिनियन
जी.
ऑलवेज वारंटेड.
हमने आजकल सोशल मीडिया पे भी बहुत देखा है दैट there is a possibility of treating every element of your skin with uh, breathing exercises or in a certain way of approaching it is of course breathing again. So what is your take on that, how effective it is, and do we uh, really cure all the diseases just with the breathing techniques?
Do you mean just breathing or like जैसे wellness जो
Wellness
होती है
जो
with
होती है जो
yoga and
yeah
other
yeah
things?
exactly,
Okay,
naturopathy, yoga,
got it.
there are a lot of I
Hmm.
think therapies they are recommending. Like as we discussed, the detox juices
Sure.
and some products. So
Hmm.
how do we approach it?
So I would say कि अगर आप घर बना रहे हो, okay, you want the foundation to be strong. You would use the best materials. You would build, slowly, carefully. सेम वे ट्रीट योर बॉडी कि द पिलर्स ऑफ हेल्थ, जो आपकी स्लीप है, आपका न्यूट्रिशन, फूड व्हाट यू आर टेकिंग इन, जो आपका एक्सरसाइज है, आपके सोशल रिलेशनशिप्स हैं विच कीप यू गोइंग, योर वर्क, दीज आर कॉल्ड योर पिलर्स ऑफ हेल्थ. तो इनकी फाउंडेशन बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाना इज ऑलवेज अ गुड आइडिया. I would not get into detox juices and like these trendy things. I would focus on, so if you're doing breath work for example, जैसे आप बोल रहे थे, और योगा, fantastic, प्लीज डू इट. उससे आपकी फाउंडेशन जो है वो और स्ट्रांग बनेगी बॉडी की, एंड दैट इज गुड फॉर एवरीथिंग. बट अगर अब घर में दीमक लग गई, विल यू नॉट यूज अ स्पेसिफिक थिंग टू गेट रिड ऑफ दैट टर्माइट?
जी.
अभी उसमें अगर आप ब्रेथ वर्क करोगे, सो it will not focus on that.
Right.
So ये wellness theater नहीं है, it is biology. It is
जी.
way more specific and targeted. And when there is a specific problem, treat it specifically. Don't expect breath work to fix, I don't know, pigmentation. Don't expect, it can take care of the physiology of your body. It can build a good foundation. Use it for that. And the other thing is that, in short, breathwork is not chemotherapy. Meditation is not antibiotics. So where you need these things, they have to be used. But as a general health practice, please go ahead and do all the breathwork, yoga, good stuff for your body to build a healthy one.
जी. जी. So Dr. Shreya, जैसे हमने स्किन रिलेटेड सारी बातें डिस्कस करी है, सो व्हाट आर दोज व्हाट यू कॉल मैजिक फूड्स? Let's talk about that, and what is your recommendation on that to have a
Sure.
good healthy skin and as a anti-aging product also, like in terms of superfoods, what is your recommendation?
Um, so one concept that we talk about is having a rainbow on your plate. बहुत सारे कलर्स होने चाहिए
जी.
in the food that you eat. So fruit, berries, nuts, seeds, which will cover your entire range of antioxidants, healthy fats, omega 3s. These are superfoods, to name a few. जैसे right now the season of fruits is on, so citrus fruits हो गए, आपका mango हो गया, then you have berries like blueberries. These are rich in antioxidants. Nuts and seeds like walnut is rich in omega 3. Avocado is rich in good fats. So these are some things which are generally good for everybody. But it is equally important कि bad stuff आप कम डालो.
जी.
So increase the good and reduce the bad, then that thing is fantastic for you.
Right.
Plus gut has to accept it. मतलब हर I've seen के हर किसी को हर food नहीं सूट होता है.
जी.
Allopathy में we don't strictly have this concept, but when I talk to patients I find के okay, maybe it is recommended, but उन्हें वो चीज़ सूट नहीं हो रही.
Right.
So I think you are the first point of contact for your body. उसको सुनना is
Just
important.
observe and be aware.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And discuss it with your doctor to say that I don't think this is working for me because I feel like we are definitely moving in the direction of personalized medicine. You know, even allopathy is going to get way more integrated. Dermatology is not just going to be about dermatology, it's going to be much more mindful,
Right.
and it's going to be, a lot more personalized.
Right. So, Dr. Shreya, that was wonderful. Information from coming from expert like you, and I'm sure all our viewers are going to be super benefited from all the information that you have given.
I would be happy if there, some myths are busted, and tomorrow, if you
Absolutely.
hear
I'm
someone is
sure.
sleeping well or eating well, and applying the right products, I would be very happy.
It was a pleasure and an honor to have you with us. Thank you so much for being here on BU with Shraddha S.
Thank you so much. If you found the information in this podcast useful, if it helped you in any way, do consider subscribing to BU with Shraddha S.